If you are tired of bulky luggage and stressful airport lines, you need to see this backpack. This is the Cotopaxi Allpa Travel Pack, and it is a total game changer for minimalist travelers. Built like a suitcase, but carried like a backpack. It opens completely flat so you can pack and organize everything in seconds. It features internal mesh compartments to keep your clothes tight, a padded laptop sleeve for easy security checks, and heavy-duty, weather-resistant materials that can handle any adventure. Plus, the Spruce Abyss colorway looks absolutely incredible. It is the perfect size for a weekend getaway or a full week of light travel, fitting easily into overhead bins. Stop checking bags and start traveling smarter. If you want to grab one for your next trip, I have dropped the official Amazon link in the description below. Click the link right now to check current pricing and availability.